Can't be a good sign. I hope they're not bloody shutting the road down, because that would be really bad. We need to get home. There they are. I need to call mom and tell her. Oh, babe, let's go. Let's go. He's letting the big trucks go. Yeah, let's go. There's a police vehicle. Come on, guys. We gotta get home to our son. So we're just hailing this police vehicle.
Okay, see the sausage dog. The sausage dog. There was a sausage dog there.
There you can see. As the whole damn place is flooded.
Hey, look, there's a cave.
And there's a guy on a kayak. Freaking, what is he doing?
Kaburu.
Just keep going. Just keep going. Okay. We are now approaching. People are getting on. So, people are getting on. Catching a lift. Babe, go close before someone catches us. All the people standing on the side of the road. And that was outside. Oh shit, and our feet is getting wet. Come on, guys, let's go. Sean, get into the freaking vehicle, dude. We need to go. It's children. Who let them out? Who let them out?
Okay, we're gonna go behind these guys.
Okay, so we're gonna tail these guys. And there it is. It's like really bad. Where's that guy on the kayak? There's a Prado coming through. This is outside my window. Can you hear that? The sound of the sea on the road. There goes the van. And that's the copper. Okay, we're going that way, dude. Some guys are able to watch that. Oh man, it's crazy. The doors are locked, right? No passengers allowed. Sorry, dude. You and your dollar gonna have to find another car. There you go. That's the MR Khan bus station place. And there's the sign. Woohoo! No work for me! Them some crazy dudes going surfing.
Train spotters fucking us up in the back here.
Okay, get a move on. Oh, okay. So this dude was getting off. That's the bus station. Dude. There's that truck van sitting in front of us. We got our escort. Some dudes. And we've come to the end of it. And as you can see, the long line of cars waiting to get through. Obviously, these taxis won't be able to. And we got our police escort in the front there. That's my courageous husband. Do that again. It is crazy. Crazy. Hey, those guys from church. Crazy. And there's the Navutu bridge. Right up, babe, go so.
Yeah, shoot on here.
And we're approaching. There you go. Navutu bridge. Underwater. Almost underwater. This is Navutu Junction. Babe, go. There you go. Bye bye, Mr. Police Escort. And hopefully it'll be smooth sailing from here. These cars don't know what lie awaits them in front of this road.